The new sticker widget helps you keep your blogging site refreshed with headlines of posts, events, or pages. Let's see what this tool developed by Ultimate PostKit plugin does. From the Layout section, you will find a switcher on the top that will turn on and off the level of the ticker. You can also choose to show title or excerpt on the display. For the title, you can also show date and time. Adjust the height of the whole thing into something suitable. You can place a miniature navigation arrows and pause play button at the right corner of the content. Of course, you may choose the animation style for this widget. The Style tab allows you to change the color and typography of the label and content. Also has color options for the navigation.